Hi everyone, this is Doreen. In today's video, I will share LJ's success story in getting him to come out of his cage. When we first got LJ and Gibbs, LJ was very quiet and timid and showed absolutely no interest in coming out of his cage. How about you, LJ? Come on, LJ. Partly from being somewhere new and partly because he had no confidence. He only has one foot, which also did not help. I slowly worked on getting him used to me by giving him some treats, and we would play some music for him since he liked to sing to it. Then we went on to do some training. He learned to spin first, and then he learned how to target. This gave him a chance to build up some confidence. Good boy. And spin? Good boy. We left the cage doors open all day to give him every opportunity to come out on his own. He did come out once in a great while, however, it was always by accident, and he was always very quick to get back into his cage. LJ's wings were clipped when we got him from the shelter, so we had to wait a few months for his flight feathers to grow in. But even then, he was still scared. It was pretty apparent that he had never had any out-of-cage time before. First, we had to work on getting his strength and endurance built up, which Elvis did that for us by constantly chasing after LJ. After a few months, it looked like he was ready for the next step. So I hung their food platform just outside the front door and put their seed in that. The pellets and veggies stayed in the cage, so he always had food, but if he wanted seed, he had to come out of the cage door to get it. Elvis is coming out. Come on. After a couple of weeks of that, I put the training table right up to the platform in front of the cage and started serving their seed on that. Oh, honey. Oh, look at you. After about a week, I then started to leave the table a little bit further away from the cage so that he had to fly to it, and then started putting their training table in a slightly different spot each day. Before you know it, he started to join Elvis and Gibbs in hanging out on the bird perches. I was concerned when we got Olive that LJ would retreat a little bit. But other than being a little wary of her, he has not been affected. This is most likely because Olive is a very gentle bird and not aggressive at all. Wow, LJ. Honey. What are you doing? LJ has even found his voice. When we first got him, he was so quiet you could barely hear him. Now he's just as loud as Elvis and Gibbs. We are so happy that we're able to give this little guy a chance to be a real bird. My top tips for getting a scared bird out of their cage: take baby steps, lots of patience and gentle encouragement, besides giving them lots of treats. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for stopping by and watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and Elvis, LJ, Gibbs, Olive, and I will see you again soon.